Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I will teach you how you can send money to Somalia through this Ria Money Transfer. You can send money to Somalia through Ria using the following steps. First is online via Ria's website. You can visit Ria's Money Transfer website and you can create an account there. After creating the account, you can enter the transfer detail you have to provide there the recipient information. You have to select the delivery method such as cash pickup, bank deposit or mobile wallet. And you can choose your payment method as well, which is bank account or debit or credit cards. Then you have to confirm and you can send. And the second method is using the Ria mobile app. You can download the app from the App Store or Google Store and you can verify and register yourself and you can initiate the transfer. But now let's talk about the third method. You can do the transfer through the in-person at a Ria agent location. You have to go and you have to find a location. You can find a agent using the Ria store locator to find a nearly agent. You have to provide the necessary information like the recipient's name, location, phone number, and then you can make the payment to the card or bank. And you can send the money to your recipient. Here if we talk about the bank and services in Somalia that support Ria Money Transfer, recipient in Somalia can receive funds through various channels like IBS Bank. IBS Bank has partnered with Ria Money Transfer, allowing recipients to collect funds at any IBS Bank across Somalia. Recipient can go on the Ria agent locator and can find a location and can go and receive the money from there. And the third method is Premium Wallet by Premium Bank. Premium Wallet users can receive money directly from Ria into their mobile wallets, providing instant access to funds without the need for traditional processing time. And here if we give you some tips for sending money, provide accurate recipient information. Ensure the recipient's name matches their official ID to avoid issue during collection. Share the reference number. After the transfer, provide the recipient with the specific reference number, often 11 digits, that they were going to need for cash pickups. Verify receiving options. Confirm with the recipient their preferred method, like if bank deposit they want or cash pickup will be easy for them. You can also monitor exchange rate and fee. You can use Ria online tools or bank apps to check current exchange rate and fee before confirming the transaction. And you can track the transfer. Utilize Ria's tracking feature to monitor the status of your transfer and ensure successful delivery. By following these steps and tips, you can efficiently and securely send money to Somalia using Ria Money Transfer. If you need any additional help, you can go and you can connect their support. And that's it, how you can transfer your money safely. So if you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.